We will guide you through how to make CentOS full screen in VirtualBox. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start the CentOS virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox Manager and wait for the operating system to load. Log in as the root administrator or as a regular user with permission to run administrative commands using sudo. Open Terminal from the Applications menu to prepare the system for VirtualBox guest editions. Use the DNF package manager with administrative privileges to install the compiler, build tool, Perl interpreter, kernel development files, kernel headers, and ELF utilities development library, automatically accepting the installation prompt. These packages allow CentOS to build the guest editions modules for its kernel. When the packages finish installing, restart CentOS with the administrative reboot command so the changes are applied. In the VirtualBox window, open Devices and choose Insert Guest Editions CD image to mount the installer inside the guest system. Open the Files application, locate the disk labeled VBox_GAS, and open it to view its contents. Right-click an empty area inside the disk window and select Open in Terminal so the command line starts in the correct location. Run the VirtualBox Linux Editions installer script with administrative privileges, allowing it to compile and install the required drivers and integration features. Watching the terminal for a successful result or any errors. Restart CentOS once more so the new guest editions drivers can load correctly. After the system starts, in the VirtualBox menu, open View and enable Auto Resize Guest Display, which lets the CentOS desktop resolution adjust when you resize the virtual machine window. Finally, press the VirtualBox host key together with the F key to enter full screen mode, and confirm that the guest display expands smoothly to fill the screen.